Alright, well, I'm gonna unload the tractor right here, take the hay fork off the back, put that on. If I can hold the camera steady, I tell you, I got a big problem with that. But I'm gonna put the brush hog on, take that hay king fork off. We're gonna run out to the cow pasture and do a little bit of mowing. And then I'm probably gonna end up leaving my tractor there. And I'll go pick some hay up today. And tomorrow I'll take hay out there in the morning. I'll be by myself. I'll take hay out in the morning. Tractor will already be there. I put hay out and then bring the tractor home tomorrow. Alright, well, we made it over here. I don't know where the cows are, but they're not up here eating hay, so that's good. I'll come over here and see how much water they've drank. See, this one's knocked over. Those two are empty. So that's 25 gallons a piece. So they've drank at least 75 gallons. He's back on the trailer. Want it too messy over here. Next time I fill it up, I'll fill these 3 up. Sitting right here on the back of the trailer. I'll just fill them up separately from the tanks and they can drink out of those. But this one right here looks like it's leaking somewhere. It is. It's leaking from that fitting there. So next time it's empty, I'll have to undo this banjo, slide it out, and I tighten it a little more. That one looks like it's leaking there too. I'll have to figure something out for that one. That one will be a little more difficult, but they've drank. We're down to, I can't read the numbers, 250. They've drank probably a little over 100 gallons in a day. So, but I'm gonna see while I'm here if I can go over there and get that concrete water trough out. I want to try to get this out today. See if I can, and move it over by the pins, get it dumped out, see what we can do with it from there. But I hear the cows. They must hear me. I can hear them running. See, this is the pond that the cows drink out of. Normally, the water's up to right here. You can see you start going off right in here. But they gotta walk a good ways into here. And it is dry. This is dry as I've ever seen this place. They've gotta walk a good ways into here. Last time I came out here to check it, this was just sopping mud to get to the water a couple weeks ago. That's why I had the water trailer out here. I was scared one of them cows is gonna get stuck in here with all these woods here. I don't have a way to get a machine in here to pick them up. But heck, I ain't too worried about the water trailer now. They can get back in here without getting in the mud. Little mud right there, but they can reach it. But a couple weeks with no more rain, it's gonna be empty, and then we will have to water. They'll be drinking way more water. What I wanted to get mowed before the spring starts growing everything again. There's a lot of these little China berry trees coming up, so I wanted to get this section knocked out and go ahead and knock them down, slow them down for the year. Maybe this summer, if I got some time, I'll come out here and spray what comes up from where I mow them. But this is my main priority today, is get this section mowed to slow them down. Got that one section mowed. I came over here, mowed this. So I got all the mowing I'm gonna do today. Well, that's it for today. I didn't have time to move that water trough. Maybe I'll be able to get to it tomorrow. If not, no big deal. We'll be back out here tomorrow and put out hay.